Hello guys, this is Francisco. I will show you 3 different techniques on fixing the lag in your Sony Vegas. So first let me show you my video in the timeline. Now you can see the lag. The first technique we have here is doing the Shift plus B. This they call the RAM preview. Now I'm going to select part of the timeline and press Shift plus B. As you can see, everything runs smoothly. I'll do a second part of it here. Same, video runs smoothly as well. Now the problem with this method is, if you're going to do several RAM previews on your timeline, when you go back and do a playback on your first RAM preview, the clips just lags again. Even for the part that we have recently RAM previewed, the clips just keeps on lagging. Now my second technique is doing a selectively pre-rendered video. Select part of the timeline, go to your top menu, select selectively pre-rendered video. Here you can see a thin line across your timeline, an indication that there is a reference of a pre-rendered video. This saves an output file in your temporary folder. Now Vegas is referring to this file instead of the clip you have on your timeline. The effects, the slow motion, the transitions that you have in that clip have been consolidated into one rendered file. Now let's do another one. As you can see here, when we do a playback, now we do a second playback here at a second pre-rendered file. Both pre-rendered files run smoothly. There's just one thing here. If you try to edit part of a clip, a transition or color correct a video within this area, the reference to that file will be gone. So just take note of that. My third technique is render to a new track. Go to Tools, select Render to a new track or press Ctrl plus M. Same process as the second technique. But what this does is Vegas is now putting the file in your timeline. With the output file in your timeline, you can now edit the file, cut it, split it, or move it anywhere in your timeline and do a real-time preview. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Hit the like button and subscribe.